Ready to see me ink another comic strip for Poison Ivy Gulch? Then this is a video you need to check out. Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I do children's picture books. I'm doing another Poison Ivy Gulch comic strip here. Alright. I'll be using, this is a daily, so I'm going to be using India ink, as well as my Speedball 512 nib. As you know, this is my workhorse. Alright. So this one has the mayor, Samuel Sidewinder, as well as Tab Stop, the local newspaper reporter. You'll see him in a moment. Alright. Let's ink the mayor's big schnozola there. You see how much better that looks now that it's been inked in? Alright, there we go. Doing a good job there of inking the mayor in. Remember, anyone can draw. It's a skill that can be learned. Just, practice. There's no shortage of materials out there, both online as well as print books and videos. And you can't worry about what other people will think. Okay. Hell, I get a lot of criticism for what I draw. Of course, these are from people themselves who don't draw or know nothing of it and have never produced anything. The mayor seems to be holding a cup there and is asking for donations, and looks like someone gave to him. I wonder why that is. Well, you're about to find out in just a moment here. There we are. Alms, alms for the poor. Thank you kindly. And yeah, this is the punchline here. If you want to try drawing comics, go for it. Practice, learn what you can. Don't worry about what other people will think or what your mother will say. Just do it. Alright. Alright. After this, I do have new strips for July and August to upload. So better not spend too much time on this video. And I'm inking in tab stop here, the newspaper reporter. I now have so many characters in the strip, it's kind of hard to find uses for all of them. Not unlike Peanuts, which was one of the inspirations for this work, as well as Tumbleweeds. Okay, just inking in his shaggy hair, and there we go. Once this is inked, once this is dry, I'll finish inking it, but that'll be at another time. I've got other things to do, like uploading the next Poison Ivy Gulch comic strips. That's it for today's video. If you like this, subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe bell there. Subscribe button. The bell icon will notify you of new videos. You like what you see? Why don't you check out the link below in the description to read more of Poison Ivy Gulch. We get updated every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I've been doing some Sunday strips. Well, until then, everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West, saying goodbye.